how to configure DNS servers to Google Public DNS or others on the iPhone 16 series. First, let's return back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. Now from the home screen, tap on Settings. Then in Settings, we scroll down and tap on Wi-Fi. Next, tap on the Information button right next to the name of your Wi-Fi. Then scroll down and tap on Configure DNS. After that, tap on Menu. In here, tap on Add Server, and then put in the DNS server that you would like to use. So here in this example, I'm going to put in 8.8.8.8. This is the Google DNS server. So if you have other DNS server that you would like to use, you can add in other server as well. Now I'm going to delete my local DNS, which is from my local IP address or my local IP network. So I'm going to delete my local DNS server. So tap on delete, and now all my DNS have been directed to Google DNS server. After that, tap on the save button to save the changes. And finally, you can swipe up to return back to the home screen. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.